In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable one-click trading in MetaTrader 5. If you want to place trades instantly without the usual confirmation window, this feature is for you. One-click trading streamlines the process, so a single click on buy or sell sends your order at the current market price. Because execution is immediate, it's important to be precise and deliberate with your clicks. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 on your computer. At the top of the platform, go to the Tools menu and choose Options, or press Ctrl+O on your keyboard to open the same window. In the Options window, select the Trade tab. Here you'll see a checkbox for one-click trading. Tick that box to enable the feature. A disclaimer will pop up, explaining that orders will be executed immediately and that you accept the risks associated with fast execution. Take a moment to read it, then tick the box that says you accept the terms and conditions, and click OK. Back in the Options window, click OK again to save your settings and close the window. With that done, one-click trading is now active. On your charts, you'll see a compact trading panel with buy and sell buttons, often near the top left of the chart. Depending on your layout, you might also see a panel tied to the symbol you're viewing. The key point is that clicking these buttons now sends the order straight to the market without an extra confirmation box. Using it is simple. On the chart's trading panel, set the trade volume you want to use, usually expressed in lots. Make sure this number matches your plan because the platform will use exactly what you've entered. Then, when you're ready, click Buy or Sell once. The order will execute immediately at the current market price, taking into account the spread and any normal market movement at that moment. A few practical tips as you use it. Always double-check the symbol and volume before clicking, especially if you switch between charts frequently. Be mindful of volatility. Prices can move quickly, and fast execution means you're committing instantly. Many traders find it helpful to practice with a demo account to get comfortable with the speed and feel of one-click execution before using it on a live account. And remember, your usual risk management still applies. Plan your position size and protective levels before you click. That's all it takes to enable and use one-click trading in MetaTrader 5. Keep it intentional, trade carefully, and enjoy the streamlined workflow.